Are you putting on your hosting hat this holiday season? This one is.
I am. You're going to a place that's being hosted.
Yes. Ain't got no time for that.
I know. Well, listen, you are in luck because we're about to show you some delicious light bites that are easy for you to make for your next party, whether you're throwing it or attending it.
You could bring it to the party.
That's right. Friend of the show and author of the cookbook One with the Kitchen, Chef Chris Valdes is back. He pulled all the stops, apparently.
Look how beautiful this spread is.
Good to see you.
Impressive.
I'm so excited to join you both this morning.
Oh, great to have you.
Yeah.
This is quite the spread. We're talking light appetizers, hors d'oeuvres. Is that fair?
Little bites that are easy to make. You know, I've been catering for 15 years. I started when I was 19. And I've learned some tricks along the way, so I want to share it with everyone, especially with you that you're hosting a big party.
No, because I already announced last night. I said there will be no appetizer hour because I'm fearful that people will load up
and then not eat your food.
But you know what? On Friday,
that's part of it all.
But Friday, I want to have a party with my friends, so you come over.
Okay.
Oh, I like
And then
it.
we'll
Now
do
you invited the whole
appetizers.
city.
And
Now that you said it, that defeats the purpose. But well, for that party you have on Friday, so these little burger sliders, easy to make. You make little beef patties with salt, black pepper. You sear each little burger, and then all we're putting is fig jam and goat cheese on these little buns. You can make the little burger patties ahead of time, freeze them, or make them the night before.
Right.
You can make them on Wednesday, freeze them, and you serve them on Friday for your party. And it's just easy to make, and it's such a delicacy. It tastes amazing.
Well, especially fig jam.
Yeah,
Yes.
fig jam. Yeah, and it does a great balance between the goat cheese and the fig jam. So that's that. Then over here, we did a little rotisserie chicken breast from the local market. We shred it or cube it up. We add some celery, some onions, some mayo, some mustard, and then basically we top it with some little chives on these little pre-made little toast. Easy to make.
That's rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie chicken.
And you just chopped it
No
up.
way.
You just chop it up. You just grab the rotisserie chicken. You make this in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, saves yourself some time, but
Yes.
just going to the store.
And that's what we're
grabbing
going for, yeah. And then these are spinach and cheese empanadas. So what I like about these, you can make these a month ahead of time, and then all you have to do is pop them in the oven, and 10 minutes later, your guests are having a warm spinach and cheese empanada. Basically, it's just spinach, a little cream, 3 of your favorite cheeses, whatever you have in the fridge. I like some cheddar, some Gouda. You could add a little Parmesan for some saltiness, a little pinch of nutmeg. You bake them, a little egg wash on top, and easy and perfect to make.
Those are beautiful.
Question about the empanadas, if you're not going to eat them right away, do you make them fully and then freeze them, or go right up until you cook them and then freeze them?
Right on, yes. So you're gonna, once you press it down on the sides, you're just gonna freeze it just like that.
And then you pop them back out.
Okay.
And then in the oven. And you don't have to thaw them or anything, so it's super easy
Just
to
go
make, yeah.
stick it right in. Okay.
And then little charcuterie boards, so you could get creative. I never like arriving empty-handed, so these are the 2 things I bring, a little charcuterie board and a little coquito, as a good Latino that I am.
love coquito.
And these are little boards you could buy, or you could just buy one with their initials, whoever's hosting the event, their initials and whatnot.
Sweet.
And I just want to show you how to finish this, and if you want to help me here, both of you, so here.
You started. Is this a shape of a
It is a little
Is
shape
it a
of a,
turkey?
yeah.
That's so
So
cute.
you just fill in the blanks with these little pieces. And what I like about this is you could go to the market and pick up cheeses that you've never tried or have heard of before, write them down, take a picture, and then this is a great conversation starter, especially if you're meeting your in-laws or if you're meeting a new family member. If you don't know what to talk about, you talk about the cheese.
Talk about the cheese.
There you go. It's worked for me, so. And then you just fill in the little blanks with these little cubes.
I don't know if we have any
Great.
space left for this.
We'll
I'll
finish
squish it
this.
in.
Can we
And
can't
last but not
get
least,
to the coquito.
we have the coquito, which I just posted the recipe yesterday. And you can make this 3 days in advance. And then look at just this. And it's eggless coquito.
Oh, eggless coquito.
Eggless. And then I
Served
went
in
a
a
little
coupe.
heavier on the rum just to
Good for
celebrate.
us.
Cheers.
Cheers. And
Cheers to
happy
being
Thanksgiving
grateful.
and holidays.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Okay.
Coquito somehow
Ooh.
tastes better when it's out of a
Oh my
champagne
gosh.
coupe. Man,
That is delicious.
And since it's set overnight, I know it doesn't taste strong, but give it 5 minutes and you'll be dancing up in
and
here.
Hazel and I will be running around here like lunatics. Well, we have
I
our
will
red
not be
lipstick
running.
on.
I won't be running. I'll be laying on the ground somewhere around this.
Chris
Oh,
Valdes, as always, thank you so much
Delicious.
for elevating our culinary skills and being such a wonderful human being.
I'm grateful for you both and for the show. Thank you so
Aw,
much.
We're so grateful for you too.
Yeah, of course.
You can follow Chef Chris Valdes on Instagram.